mai whakatau mai nei ki tō mātou kauta rawe nei. Welcome to our beautiful, fabulous kitchen. Ko Naomi aho, my name is Naomi, and this is the official first episode of Whānau Kai, the Giving Series. Yeah! So today we are making a kind of a late celebratory Mother's Day cake. A banana cake, a kiki panana. And as I was developing this recipe, I definitely came up with a few duds, a few ones that were a little bit too doughy in the middle. Engari, but kua taka te kapa, penny has dropped, and I think I've got a really good recipe for you. So I'm going to bake and decorate this cake, package it up and give it to a fabulous whānau. This is for Chloe, and Chloe is actually going through cancer treatment at the moment, and I just want to send all of my aroha to you, Chloe, and to your whānau, and I just hope this is a little blessing at this time. Kāti, me tunu tātou. So let's bake. Koinei ngā kai ka whakamahia e tātou mō tēnei tohu tau. Here are the ingredients you need for this cake.
Kia kotahi rau, 50 gramu pataku tere tere, 150 grams of softened butter. Kia toru hau wha kapu huka one, 3/4 of a cup of caster sugar. Kia rua kokoiti iho hu pere, 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. Kia toru heki, 3 eggs. Kia wha panana kua kōhare, 4 mashed bananas. Kia haurua kapu mira kawera, half a cup of hot milk. Kia kotahi kokoiti Pēkana houra, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Kia rua me te haurua kapu puehu parawa, 2.5 cups of flour. Kia rua me te haurua kokoiti Pēkana powder, 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder. Kia rua kokoiti hinamona, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Kia haurua kokoiti tote, half a teaspoon of salt. Add your pataku tere tere and your huka one, and whip until creamed. Add your iho hu pere and whip again until light and fluffy. Lightly beat your eggs. Add a quarter at a time and whip well in between each addition. Add in your mashed panana, the browner the better. Heat your miraka for 30 seconds. Add in your Pēkana houra and stir. Tātaritia te puehu parawa, Pēkana powder, hinamona and tote. Tātaritia. Sift it. Add your milk mix and gently fold to combine all the ingredients. Divide between 2 20cm cake tins.
So our beautiful cake is all cooked. Now for some of you, this is the end of the story. All you want is a banana cake and you want to eat it now and you don't want anything else on it, and that is completely fine. Engari, but for any of you who want to bling it out, whai mai ia hau, follow me. First stop, gooey caramel.
Kia whitu te kaumārima gramu pata, 75 grams of butter. Kia haurua kapu huka haura, half a cup of brown sugar. Kia haurua kokoiti tote, half a teaspoon of salt. Kia kotahi rau 50 kaumārima rita mano kirimi, 125 ml of cream. Add your pata and your huka haura and a sprinkling of tote. Heat until your butter is melted and all the sugar is dissolved. Once it's dissolved, add your kirimi. Boil until thick, glossy and delicious. Leave to cool for 5 minutes and then pour into a jar.
So our caramel is done, it's looking beautiful. Now you can use this caramel for anything you want. You can drizzle it over ice creams or any types of cake. All you do is store it in the fridge. When you want to use it, warm it a little bit in the microwave for maybe about 15 seconds. Next stop, we are doing Italian meringue buttercream. This is my favourite buttercream of all time. It's beautiful and creamy and not too sweet, so let's do it.
Kia toru whakakahu heki, 3 egg whites. He kini creamy tata, a pinch of cream of tartar. Kia toru hau whakapu huka one, 3/4 of a cup of caster sugar. Kia hau whakapu wai, 1/4 of a cup of water. Kia toru rau karamu pata, 300 grams of butter. Kia rua kokoiti pē wanira, 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And kia kotahi karamu tiakarete kuarewa, 100 grams of melted chocolate. Add your whakakahu heki and your kirimi tata into the mixer and whip until soft peaks. Add your huka one and your wai to a small saucepan. Boil until it reaches 112 degrees. Slowly pour in your hot syrup into your egg whites as you whip on a medium speed. Once the bowl is cool to touch, add your pata a little at a time, whipping well between each addition. Add in your pē wanira, and once you have a thick, creamy buttercream, fold through 1 cup of buttercream with your melted chocolate. Delicious.
Ka pai e hoa mā, awesome work. So we have done a cake, we've got gooey caramel, we have 2 types of buttercream, and now it is time for my favourite part of all, the decoration. Now I never really have a plan, so let's see how this unfolds.
Cut the domes off your cakes. Cut each cake in half. Add your chocolate buttercream and drizzle on that beautiful caramel. Add your next layer and repeat this process. Now add your vanilla buttercream. Decorate however you wish. Kaya koe te tikanga. Now I'm adding little dollops of the beautiful caramel. Finished off with toasted coconut.
Yay! So we have completed our beautiful banana cake. I've also put in some new cake tins for Chloe and her whānau so they can make their banana cake as well if they want. A little tea towel set and some fresh caramel that they can use for whatever they want. Mai tōku kauta ki tō kauta ki ki ana ki te aroha. From my kitchen to your kitchen, filled with love. Thank you whānau for watching Whānau Kai the Giving series. I'm Naomi, mā te wā.
Ngā akoranga no, tātari, sift, tātaritia, sift it. Tātaritia te poehu parawa, sift the flour. Ki waha kua taka te kapa, the penny is dropped.